Yo, it's Wednesday, 4/21/2021, and we're at Bennett Lane, a winery in Calistoga, California. As you can see, the vineyard's back here. We're installing 17 cameras here today and 2 environmental sensors. And we're gonna take you inside here and show you what we got going on. They had a system in previously. We're taking it out, we're upgrading them to this new version. They had some analog cameras mixed with some IP cameras. And now we're putting in a brand new Verkada system. Let's go check it out. Trying to get a wire out for an environmental sensor that we're going to mount out here so they can check to see what's going on in here. And we're going to add one more environmental sensor over on the other end, and we have a camera that we're going to replace on that wall. That old analog camera is getting pulled out, put a new IP camera in its place, and we're going to replace that one over there. I think we have a total of 17 cameras here that we're replacing. I'm waiting for Tony to send me a glow rod so I can pull this wire out. We left site to go to the owner of this site's house to go see his cameras. When we came back, internet wasn't working. I thought I unplugged something, I thought I broke something. I don't know what was going on. Called their internet provider, this local Valley internet provider. They answered like right away. And it was something with one of their switches wasn't in the right port, something that we never moved. He told me to move from port 10 to 9, plugged in, then everything came right back up. So I had a panic, I thought I broke something, but internet's back, yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
So
that is so cool. The winemaking team's gonna geek out on this. I think it's gonna be really cool. Ben, this is pretty cool, these sensors.
To your face.
So crazy.
And that's cool. So
man,
if done.
That is so cool.
So,
that's awesome. Cool.
We got all the cameras installed. We got the 2 sensors installed. We had a couple little mishaps here and there with some PoE switches and finding what's what, but that's all working. Man, look at this place, it's so nice. The guy's got wine ordered here before we go, and the customer's happy. We also went to the owner, the guy who owns this location. We went to his house. We're gonna quote him on a couple other cameras over there. But we're done, man. This is a good job, fun job. See you guys on the next one. All right, guys, it's May 3rd, 2021. We're back at Bennett Lane Winery. The owner decided to update a couple of the cameras at his house. So we're a couple miles away. We're updating just a few cameras at his house. We got one in the front, a couple in the back, one on the gate. So far, all the existing wiring's working good. 3 of the 4 cameras are working good, so we're about to see if this 4th one works. I wasn't sure how this one was powered up right here. I saw this weird injector. So I brought a high-powered PoE switch that's made to be in extreme weather for this junction they have out here. We're gonna see if we need to put it in or not. So Tony over here, he's just very delicately pruning the wire. He's not really cutting the wire, he's pruning just like you would prune the grapes here. He's just pruning the camo. Tony works with camo a lot because he's a hunter, so he keeps a lot of camo stuff on him, just stock all the time. He might even camo his scissors.
Camo himself.
Yeah, camo himself. And we're like, where's Tony? I'm putting in the freaking camera. Day 2, we're done. We updated 4 of the cameras here. We covered the new cameras in camouflage like his old cameras were. He was pumped about that. He didn't ask us to bring the camouflage, but I saw the last ones were camo, so I ordered those, got them all ready for him. And look at that, man. Look at this place. Look at this property. It's so nice. We're done. We're out of here. See you guys in the next one.